About materia variants. Basically, each materia has multiple variants. In order to explain the variant of materia, it is necessary to divide it into 3 notes materia and 4 notes materia. Start with the 3 notes materia. Divide into 2 types. One is a sequence of upward 1-1 and downward 1-1. In this sequence, the second note is added as a transitional note. It is this part. Even though the scale is different, this is the sequence in which the second note is the transitional note. The basic idea is to keep this sequence fixed, and change only up or down octaves. The same goes for descending. If not fixed, examples. This is not a use of materia, but may be possible with other analyses. Not prohibited. Three notes materia. Another type. Another type is all sequences except upward 1-1 and downward 1-1. The above 3 are examples. Variant of C upward 2-2. The last one is just an octave higher than the first. It is also possible to place each note a few octaves higher or lower. Variant of C downward 2-2. The last one is just an octave lower than the first. The constituent notes are different from C upward 2-2. And there is no overlap. Variant of E downward 2-2. The last one is just an octave higher than the first. This has the same constituent notes as C upward 2-2. But the starting note is different, so it is not duplicated.
Are there overlaps between ascending and descending materia? The starting note and the component note must be the same. Then, the sequence would be like this. In the materia rule setting, the pitch difference between 3 notes materia is 2 to 12. As such, this is not included in the materia. The only exceptions are upward 6-6 and downward 6-6, which are equal parts of 12 and have the same variant.
Three notes materia summary. 1. There are 2 types of 3 notes materia variants. 2. The materia rules treat the upward 1-1 and downward 1-1 sequences as fixed. However, non-fixed variants are not prohibited. 3. Use the 8 variations in the example as a basis, moving individual notes up or down octaves as needed. 4. The 3 notes materia is not duplicated in all ascending and descending. The only exception to this is upward 6-6 and downward 6-6, where the variants are the same. 5. It goes through all 17 starting notes. 4 notes materia. Divide into 3 types. Each of the above is a different type. First one. The area circled above is the target. In both of these pieces, the three notes on the left are in the form of materia, upward 1-1, and downward 1-1. In the example above, both are 1-1-2, but the third pitch difference would be 1-2-5-6-8-9 for ascending, and 1-2-4-5-8-9 for descending. As a rule of materia, the left three notes are considered fixed. The variant is a sequence of upward 1-1 and downward 1-1, with the fourth note added to move it up or down octaves. Second. The area circled above is the target. This means that the fourth note has been added as a transitional note. Basically, the sequence of the third and fourth notes is fixed. Then the first, second, and third variants plus the fourth. The fourth note needs attention, such as note value. Examples of variants. Even if the starting note, pitch difference, and arrows are exactly the same, the fourth note may not be the one that was added as a transitional note. Two types of E upward 1-2-1. In E upward 1-2-1 below, the fourth note is not a transitional note. In this case, the variant would be the third type. Third. The area circled above is the target. No transitional note is involved. 16 variants Part 1. Variants Part 2. Use 16 variants Parts 1 and 2 as a basis, moving each note up or down octaves as needed. Also, the order of black purple is never reversed, nor is there any overlap. There is a downward 1-2-2 as materia, but the order is black purple. 4 notes materia variance summary. 1. There are 3 types of 4 notes materia. 2. It is strongly related to the 3 notes materia. 3. Use the sequence of 16 as the basis for the variant. 4. No duplicates. 5. It's common to all 17 starting notes. Just 1. There are materia rules, but no prohibitions. That's it for now. See you.